Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, Access Financial Services has launched a program which it hopes will help reduce poverty in Jamaica. Accessibility uses the poverty stoplight methodology to help gauge the needs of families and help plot strategies for them to improve their economic standing. Marketing and Communications Manager at Access Financial Services, Nicholas Mundell, says the accessibility program will help local families assess their level of poverty and plot strategies to improve their financial standing.
It's a local adaptation of a program developed by Fundación Paraguaya, a non-profit organization based in Paraguay. The Poverty Stoplight has gained recognition in various countries around the world and has been used by non-profit organizations, governments, and other institutions as a tool of poverty assessment, goal setting, monitoring progress, and poverty reduction.
Through surveys conducted by the company, persons will be assessed on 6 key areas:
income and employment, housing and infrastructure, education and culture, health and environment, organization and participation, and interiority and motivation.
The data will then be used to plot a poverty map, and participants will benefit from the services of various facilitators who will provide advice on wealth building and sustainability strategies.
The program gave me a voice and power to assess my situation. I realized that poverty is not just about income, it's about multiple dimensions of your life, starting with your mindset. So this program helped me to improve that.
Access is looking to partner with businesses, nonprofits, and government to help connect families with solution providers. The company says the tool will also factor into how they create products.
Accessibility will help us to better anticipate our customers' needs and design products that will help them grow their small businesses.
Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.71. $116.03 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $196.55, while it's costing $169.21 for the euro. Let's head to the stock market with the JSE index losing 446 points today, while the junior market index gained 3 points. Among the 47 advances were CAC 2000, ISP Finance Services, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, Consolidated Bakeries and Medical Disposables and Supplies. The 45 losers include Siboney Group, Iron Rock Insurance, Caribbean Cream, Knutsford Express Services, and Fontana. 13 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.